how to extend the background of an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So here we have an image of a family on a beach, and I'm going to extend the right of this image so that the family appear in the center. Now to extend this image, all I need to do is go over to the crop tool in the left panel and then simply click on the edge of the image here and expand it outward until the family are in the center of the image like so. Now as we can see, we have some black areas here, but this can be fixed by generating a new background. Now I'm just going to click cancel on this so that you can see it how you will see it in your Photoshop. So you will see a box like this, and all we need to do is click on Generative Expand. You can type in a prompt as to what you want it to do, but I find it does work well just by clicking Generate. Now Photoshop is going to work on extending this image by generating that part of the background that is currently missing. And there we have it like so. Now I think that looks absolutely amazing from the get-go. You can also come through the variations in the properties panel over here, and you can click through the different variations that Photoshop gives to you. But I think the first pass at this was a pretty good job. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.